Hi there, welcome back. If you are new here, thanks for stopping on by and checking out this video. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for being a part of this beauty community. Okay, so we are talking facials today. You have all of these skincare products, but if you want to do like an actual treatment, like what goes first, what goes last, how do you do it? So that's what we're doing. So these are the steps I always follow for my at-home facials, but there's a twist because I'm using some products that I haven't used before. So although these are the steps that I follow, we're also going to be diving into and learning about some brand new products. I cannot wait to start because like I have a breakout in my eyebrow. I don't even know why that happens. It feels disrespectful. I also have like something going on here. I've had some stuff happen in here. So I feel like my skin is like, help me. And it is time for the help. Okay, so step one is cleansing. And you really want to make sure that you're cleansing your skin really well before you get started with your facial so that all of your treatments and everything can really get on in there and do what you want them to do. So always start with a double cleanse. So if you're not familiar with double cleansing, the first step is going to be like an oil or a balm cleanser. It doesn't really disrupt your skin. It just kind of breaks down all of the stuff that is on top that we don't really want, you know, festering up in there. So that's step one, is your pre-cleanse. Then after your pre-cleanse, you want to go in with your actual cleanser. And I mean, really any cleanser that you like to use, you can use. You know your skin type, so you can use a gel cleanser, you can use a cream cleanser. I'm sure there's like hybrids out there. Whatever floats your boat, that's what you're going to use after your pre-cleanse. So the second step in your facial is exfoliation. You want to get all of that like built up stuff out. You know, if you wear makeup a lot like me, things are building up in there and we want them out. So that's what exfoliation helps do. So there's two kinds of exfoliation. You can do physical exfoliation or you can do chemical exfoliation. So chemical is going to be your AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, or your BHAs, which are your beta hydroxy acids. And then you also have physical exfoliants. So physical is like just what the name says. It's physically scrubbing and exfoliating. So there's scrubs, there's devices, there's all types of products that are physical exfoliants. So your next step is your treatment step. And so this is really where you mask. And your mask should really address the concern of your entire facial. Like the reason why we're here right now should be your mask. So that could be a breakout, that could be dryness, that could be dullness. Really, there's masks to address all types of skin concerns, but this is where you want to use your mask. Your fourth and your fifth steps are all focused on hydration. So we're going to start with our fourth step, which is your serum. And you want to use a serum that is focused on hydrating your skin because we've done a lot to it. So we just want to make sure that we're showing it some love. Lastly, you want to apply your moisturizer. So moisturizer is going to be your fifth and your final step. Finally, if you are going outside, so if you're doing this earlier in the day or maybe in the morning, make sure you finish with SPF. If you're doing it at night, then don't worry about it because you're going to bed and the sun's down because it's nighttime. We're going to get into, you know, the textures, the consistencies, all of that good stuff.